Hi guys, welcome to 3D Blending Hub. This is the third episode of Game Ready Treasure Chest. In this episode we are checking how to bake textures. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let's dive into the video. Now learn how to bake textures. Create new material for the low poly model. Add image texture node and then normal map node. Create new map, change resolution 1024 to 2048 depends your need. Go to Render tab, change Render Engine EV to Cycles. Then switch CPU to GPU, that also depends on your PC. Let's go to Baking Settings. Change the bake type Combine to Normal. Enable Select to Active. Then adjust the extrusion and maximum ray distance value. These values also will change depending your model. Before baking, don't forget to apply HD Smooth Low Poly and High Poly model. First select the High Poly and then select Low Poly, click the Bake button. It takes couple of seconds to bake. Now save the normal map. Next go to bake the ambient occlusion map. So have to add new texture image node and change the name and resolution. Then change the bake type normal to AO. Next we have to bake two cavity textures too. This will help us to reduce the texture painting time. So let's follow these steps. Hide the low poly model and select the high poly, then add a material. Next add a geometry node, connect the pointiness node to preview node. And add a color ramp node to pointiness node, then adjust the color ramp node like this. Next add an emission node, connect the color ramp node to emission node. Now select the low poly model, add image texture and name it Cavity 01. Then go to Baking Settings, change the bake type ambient occlusion to emit, then bake it and save the texture. Back to high poly, then adjust the color RAM like this. Now we will get a different cavity texture, then bake it. So guys, I am winding up this video here. The next part is lengthy and there we are discussing about texture painting and shader editing. I'll upload episode 4 as soon as possible. Stay tuned.